Part 1. New words.
To jump. A high jump. They can't jump. To ski. I can't ski well. We ski there every day. To cycle. Cycle to work. Cycle in the park. To run. Run every second day. They ran to the bus. To climb. Climb a mountain. Climb trees. Chess. To play chess. His favorite game is chess.
Part 2. Grammar 1. Gerund. I like walking. He likes skiing. She doesn't like climbing.
What do you like doing in your free time? I like painting. I paint every evening. Does your sister like reading? No, she doesn't. She's too young. My sister really likes gardening. Your cat is very active and funny. Yes, it is. It likes jumping, climbing trees and playing with our neighbor's dog. They go to the mountains twice a year. Do they like skiing? Yes, they do. They like skiing in the winter and walking there in the summer.
Part 3. Grammar 2. Spelling.
I run every day. I like running. She didn't take any photos when she was on holiday. She doesn't like taking photos. Her son swims here 3 times a week. He likes swimming a lot. I don't cycle to work every day. I don't like cycling in rainy weather.
Part 4. Vocabulary 1. Phrases with like. We like mountain climbing. He likes oranges. What's the weather like? What was the trip like? That cloud looks like a rabbit. He sings like a real singer. She was happy like a child. He is like his grandfather.
What was the hotel like? He doesn't look like his brother. This meat tastes like chicken.
Part 5. Read and choose.
He liked running in the park early in the morning. I don't like cycling to school. My school is too far away. They really like playing chess. We like skiing in these mountains in the winter.
Part 6. Quiz.
I like cycling. My cat likes climbing trees. She doesn't like skiing. Do you like running?